Okay, it's time to collect some wood. Right now I'm using wood for fuel. I need a lot of it. So, I've got trees growing everywhere. Get my axe. Okay, let's clean up. Oh my goodness. My inventory is full. That's another quartz. I'm going to have to come out and get that. Let me dump my inventory. Here we go. Dump, 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 dump. Dump, 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 dump. Alright, here we go. Alright, I got that back. Now let's go about the business of cutting down trees. It's an essential job when you're starting out. Got to have wood. Wood means fire. Fire means prosperity. If you haven't noticed, there's snow on the ground, so we got to have fire to keep warm. And we'll replant. That's a fir tree. We won't cut it just yet. We'll stick to the oaks. Here we go. Oak tree coming down. And we'll plant it right back. It's a fir tree. Here's an oak. You might notice as we go through this that the oaks give off apples, which is a pretty good food source. Realistically, you can eat everything you need just by cutting trees. Okay, plant that guy. Whoa, that's a big tree. I'll have to fly up on top of it, start it. Best way to do this is start from the top. In case you're wondering, I've got a blue axe. That's a sapphire axe. It's a lot more durable than iron, so that's why I'm using it. Now let's plant this tree back. Got it. Let's clean up. There's an apple. Need apples. That's fuel for the body. Okay, I got 2 apples and I got 41 pieces of wood. My goal is 64. Everything in Minecraft is based off 64. That's a computer thing. But anyway, here we go. Let's plant it back. Clean up. And it's getting dark. We gotta hustle. because we know the bad guys come out of dark. All right. How much wood do I have yet? I'd like to have 64. I only got 53. I got to get a few more. I see a big tree on the horizon. I could cut that one and get 64 plus. I think that's what I'm going to do. Big tree. Now let's go get on top of it. And notice I change up what I hit it with because it doesn't affect my axe. If my axe only has a certain number of hits. If I use leaves, then it helps me extend the life of my axe. Here we go. Let's get this. Let's get that. Let's get that. Harvesting wood means fuel. You got to have fuel. You got to have wood to have fuel. At this point in the game, also there's charcoal and coal. Actually, this wood is going to be converted into charcoal. I fell through it. Let's use something else. There it is. Now I may fall. Yep, fell some. I fell through that. Let's see. One stick left. Now let's clean up. Alright, let's plant it back. Boom. We got another tree planted. Let's get these guys and be out of here. Plant it back, and we're out of here. We got 2 more trees. This is wanting to be difficult, or I'm not flying correctly. This one fell way down there. We got it. Yeah, this one's planted way on the edge, so you got to expect some stuff falling over the edge. In case you're wondering, a blue axe is made from sapphire, which is a blue mineral. And I found some of it, and it's harder than iron. Let's go for this big tree, but let's do it from the top down. There we go. Sapphire is a mineral of the earth, and it has hardness, so therefore it's a good weapon. Let's plant that tree back. Now let's clean up. Okay, let's see how much wood we got. 64 and 47. I think we did pretty good. 64 will make a nice stack of fuel. Well, let's go on it. Nah, I'll get it later. Okay, we'll run down here. And that is a redstone furnace. We can pop that in there, and our generators, which are right here, which are running off the same fuel that this thing is making fuel, because it's very efficient. That's a good option for us. So anyway, we're making some fuel, and we'll take the good thing about cutting trees like this is everything is of use. The saplings are fuel for the ovens. Might want to cook a turkey in there. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, might want to cook a turkey in there. Or a chicken. I don't think there's any turkeys in Minecraft, but anyway, we can make do with that. And we'll come back and visit that later. But everything has a use. We can either plant the trees, and what we have left over we can burn for fuel, and then we convert the wood into charcoal. Charcoal is a good fuel, and we have several devices. Our mining turtle actually uses that. But anyway, generators are running. Generator feeds power down through here, and that's sort of like a big battery bank. It sort of gives me a little extra margin, and every machine is hooked to that device, and the results we'll put over here, and there's more fuel. But anyway, that's all I got to say about that. We've harvested wood manually. We've seen in the past where we had an automated wood harvester, but now we're seeing early game how you harvest and process wood for fuel. I think that's a pretty cool thing, and I'm glad you were here to join me. Oops, hit the wrong button. See you later.